This is Red Hawk 10. I'm going to do an unboxing video for the Trans Am mode Reborns Gundam and O Gundam. High grade, 1/44 scale. Here's the cover box art. Here's the box art for O Gundam. This is basically what you get in the Reborn Gundam's box. There's about, let me just throw it all out there. Here's the instruction manual. Typical Gundam OO instruction manual. Here's some art to the manual. Gets it in its cannon mode and stuff. That's to show you how to transform it, I guess, to cannon mode and so on. You seem to get 1, 2, 3, 7 runners and stickers. This one comes for the beam saber. The old Gundam all didn't come with beam saber. I thought it kind of sucks, but oh well. Here's the clear beam saber part. You only get one beam saber, and it's clear. You'll have to paint it if you want any colors. Polycaps, stickers. This would probably be the A plate. It's usually the most colorful one. Whatever. Beam weapons. Here's the O Gundam. Yeah, the O Gundam, I guess it isn't. There's two versions of the O Gundam. This is the one that Ribbons All Mark uses. It comes with the GN wings. The instruction manual here is a little bit smaller than Reborn's. Manual art. This one comes with that's part of the Reborn Gundam. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with like 4 runners plus polycap. Stickers. And no beam saber. I mean, it comes with a beam saber, but no hilt for it. I mean, beam for it. Anyway, Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Later.